Hi my beauties, today I'm showing you how I applied my amethyst and green eyeshadows. I used 3 eyeshadow brushes of ours and a lip brush also for the eyes. So we used the amethyst green, dark brown, nude and white eyeshadows. And I started with the middle eyeshadow brush on the amethyst. I then applied the amethyst eyeshadow to the center of the eyelid. I then got my large fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply the green eyeshadow. It's a gold green color, this one. And then I got the back end of my toothpaste to use as an angle so I could get a clean line. And I applied the green to the outer edge of the eye and into the just above the crease line. This gives a nice clean finish. I then applied a little bit of the silver white on the inner corner of the eye. And then applied a little bit of the champagne nude color on the inner edge of the eyelid and also just under the eyebrow. Then I blended it all together with the concealer brush. Now I have this beautiful chocolate brown color and I use the smallest blending brush that we have to apply this. And again, I use the same trick as before, applying by using the toothpaste to have a clean line. And just apply to the outer side like a wing. Just slightly into the top of the outer eyelashes, just to open up the eye a little bit. Then I applied a little bit just underneath the outer under eye, just to join it all up to the upper. Now we also have this color brown, which is called Allure, in an eyeliner colour. And we use that next as a tight line under the upper lashes. And just went to the outer half of the upper lashes. And for the finishing touch, we then applied mascara. I then got changed into my outfit for the evening, and this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, it's bye for now.